Hey everyone, today we are going to embark on a culinary journey together. Today we're going on a food trip all the way to South Africa. This beautiful country is known for its rich culture and diverse cuisine. Get ready to make a super yummy dish called Bobotie. It's a traditional South African dish that's both savory and sweet, and it's sure to become a favorite in your household. It's like a meatloaf, but way more interesting. The combination of spices and the unique custard topping make it stand out. Let's get started. First, turn your oven on to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Preheating the oven is crucial to ensure even cooking. While the oven is heating up, grab a big frying pan and put a little oil in it. You can use any oil you prefer, but I recommend using vegetable or olive oil for the best results. While the oven is heating up, grab a big frying pan and put a little oil in it, just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. Turn the heat to medium. This will ensure that the ingredients cook evenly without burning. Chop up one onion into small pieces and cook it in the pan until it's soft and a little golden. This should take about 5-7 minutes. Smells good already. The aroma of cooking onions is always a great start to any dish. Now add 1 pound of ground beef or lamb to the pan. You can choose either based on your preference. Both work wonderfully in this recipe. Cook it until it's brown and broken into little pieces. This should take about 10 minutes. Make sure to stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Sprinkle in some salt, pepper, a teaspoon of curry powder, and a tiny bit of turmeric. These spices are what give Bobotie its distinctive flavor. These spices give Bobotie its special flavor. The curry powder adds warmth, while the turmeric gives it a beautiful color. Your nose will thank you. The combination of these spices creates an irresistible aroma. Next, add a big spoonful of apricot jam and a big spoonful of chutney. These ingredients add a touch of sweetness that balances the savory flavors. This makes the dish a little sweet. The apricot jam and chutney blend beautifully with the spices. Throw in a handful of raisins too for extra yumminess. The raisins plump up as they cook, adding little bursts of sweetness. Stir everything together really well, then pour it into a baking dish. Make sure to mix thoroughly so that all the flavors are evenly distributed. Make sure you've greased the dish first so the Bobotie doesn't stick. You can use butter or oil for this. Now for the secret weapon, the custard topping. This is what makes Bobotie truly unique. In a bowl, crack 2 eggs and whisk them with a cup of milk. This will create a rich, creamy custard. Add a little salt and pepper. This will enhance the flavor of the custard. Pour this mixture over the meat in the baking dish. Make sure it covers the entire surface. This will make a crispy, golden crust on top. The custard bakes into a beautiful, golden layer. Put the dish in your preheated oven and bake for about 45 minutes. Keep an eye on it to make sure it doesn't overcook. It's done when the top is firm and golden brown. You can test it by gently pressing the top. It should feel set. All the flavors will mix together and make it taste amazing. The combination of savory meat, sweet raisins, and the creamy custard is simply divine. When it's done, let it cool down for a few minutes before you eat it. This allows the flavors to meld together even more. Bobotie usually goes great with yellow rice and some extra chutney on the side. The rice soaks up all the delicious juices. Every bite is like a party in your mouth. The flavors are so well balanced and satisfying, and that's it. You've just made an authentic South African Bobotie. You just made a South African feast right here in Minneapolis. It's amazing how food can transport us to different parts of the world. This Bobotie is perfect for sharing with your friends and family. It's a dish that brings people together, so try it out and tell me what you think in the comments below. I love hearing your feedback and seeing your creations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any more cooking adventures. Your support means the world to me. See you next time. Happy cooking!